Hi there, I'm Michelle the Painter. Today I'm here to talk about my Patreon membership program with a tier talk. So a lot of the people who are interested in the program are interested in learning what tier works best for them, where they should start. So I felt that it was an ample opportunity with all the questions that I get asked to get on camera and explain what each tier provides to you and the benefits, and then you can just make a decision off of that. If you would like to research it more, there's plenty of other information that could be had. But so in my Patreon membership program, I have several different tier levels. The first one is what I refer to as the fan tier level, based off of the fan brush, and that starts at $3 per month. So that's the entry level tier, and you have a bunch of different benefits with it. Not only do you have access to a library of, I think it's up to thousands now, exclusive tutorials that I make specifically for them, acrylic painting tutorials. So that's a great benefit there. I also do educational sessions that they can, they're live sessions initially, and then I record them so they have access to these sessions later, where we work on the fundamentals of painting and design. There's also the ability to become part of my Facebook group, where there's thousands of like-minded artists, where you get to share your artwork, get feedback, and it's a great community of artistic people that you get to be part of as well. I also have mini painting contests that the fans are eligible to enter. So every month I have these mini painting contests where they can enter their paintings for a chance to win some cash prizes. We also have other ways to win cash prizes is at the fan level you can participate in fun art games. So we have art trivia games and live like different puzzles and stuff like that, where you can win prizes. It's a fun way to learn about all things art. So there's that opportunity. I do I think I mentioned the skill challenges. Well, the skill challenges also work on the fundamentals of painting and design, where I give you kind of tasks to do every month that will be geared towards a specific technique or a specific style, or something that will just help you move forward in your painting journey. And then they also have the opportunity to participate in what I refer to as Paint My Photo. So I'll put a call out to the members where they get to submit their personal photographs to me, and I select some of them to turn into video tutorials, and as a thank you I will send the original painting that I did off to whoever submitted the photo. So that's the fan level, and the next level up is what I refer to as the riggers. So again, based off of a paintbrush, this tier level is an $8 tier level, and you get all of the benefits from being a fan, plus the additional benefits of discounts on my website. So you get discounts on art supplies, also on different, like the kits that I sell, the paint kits, and whatever else merchandise that I have on there. I've got a lot of fun art related merchandise on there, so you get discounts on that. At the rigger level, you also get to enter the large monthly painting contest. So I have the mini one and I have a large one. And the large one, right now, we give away $1,000 in cash as prizes. So you get to participate in that. It's a great place to showcase your artwork, again, get feedback, see where you kind of lie in a big pool of artists. So it's a fabulous place to be, or to benefit to have. And they also, at the rigger level, get a digital image, or a high resolution digital image of one of my fine art paintings that they can use for wallpaper or printing or whatever other personal use that they'd like. So that's the rigger level. The next level up is what I call the stippler level, again after stippler brushes. So the stippler level is a $12 monthly level, and you get everything that the fan and the riggers get, plus you also get to participate in virtually live paint and sip classes with me once a month. So we go on Zoom and we all have a paint and sip event together, which is great because we have personal interaction with each other, and it's a really fun way, again, to learn how to paint and to be around like-minded artists. I also offer at the stippler level personal critiques and coaching on your artwork. So you can submit up to 2 projects that you're working on to me each and every month for my personal thoughts. You can send questions, or you just ask for an overall arcing kind of, where do I go from here? So you get that opportunity at the stippler level. And then I have one final level, which I call the design license tier, and that is for individuals or artists who would like to teach my designs to other people. So at that design license tier, it is a $60 a month tier level. You get all of the other benefits from all the other tiers, plus you get access and permission and a license to teach the specific paint and sip video tutorials to your customers. So that's, again, somebody who would like to teach the designs. And that, in a nutshell, is all of the different benefits that come with the different tiers. So everybody is, likes something different, so you can go through those and see what works best for you. And if you ever have more questions, you can always reach out to us at contact@michellethepainter.com, and I look forward to seeing you in our group.